And now within the downloads folder, I have this file present, which is our Intellij IDE of the community edition. Let us run this file, Intellij IDE. Click on next and then again click on next. Now let it be the default one, hit on next and then again install. It will take some time to install the Intellij IDE in your Windows operating system. And now we have successfully completed the setup process. Hit on finish. And now let us launch our Intellij IDE. So for that, let us again go to the search panel and type Intellij and it will show you the search result as Intellij IDE. Let us click on it. And here the very first dialog box that you will get will be this one. So simply select do not import any setting and click on OK. And then I will select the theme as the white theme. So let us select the Intellij theme, click on next and then again click on next. And finally you will get start using Intellij IDE. Let us click on this button. And this is our welcome screen of the Intellij IDE. So here I would like to do some initial setup for this IDE. So down the side you will find the configure option. Click on it and down the side you will find the project defaults, which further will contain the menu of project structure. Click on this project structure. So here inside this wizard you will find the SDK option. Let us add one. Select JDK and then simply navigate to C, Program Files, then Java, then simply select this JDK, right? Click on OK and then you will be good to go. So here click on Apply and then OK. And now another setting I would like you to do is click on Configure and then go to Settings. So here in this wizard you will find the Appearance and Behavior menu, and inside this menu you will find the System Settings. Simply select it and there you will find this option Reopen Last Project on Startup. Simply uncheck it. So make sure you have unchecked this option, right? And now down the side here you will find the Editor menu. Then simply expand it and then go to General menu, within which you will find more options. So again expand it and there we have the Appearance. Now within the Appearance you will find this option Show Line Numbers. So make sure it is actually checked. And now after this down the side you will find the font. So let us click on it and there let us increase the font size to let's say 17 and also increase the line spacing to let's say 1.1 and then click on Apply. And now one more setting that I would like you all to do is to simply navigate to the code style. Now inside the code style you will find the Java option. Now here make sure you have checked this Use Tab character and also the Smart tabs. These initial settings will really help us when we get started with our Java application development. So here click on Apply and then OK. So we are now done with the setup of the Java JDK and also the Intellij IDE. Now that we have installed the Java JDK and also the Intellij IDE with the required settings, we can now move ahead with our first Java application. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to create a very basic Java application inside our Intellij IDE. And I am totally excited for my first Java application. Are you?